Brindley Technologies. Are you ready for walkthrough of Brindley Technologies Systems Integration Services and Products Company? Make way for the future. Experience the world of next-generation information technology company, Brindley Technologies Worldwide. Welcome to Brindley Technologies, a multinational information technology company. Government of India has approved Brindley Technologies Limited and Group of Companies project under the scheme of Make in India. Besides this, the state government of Gujarat, Maharashtra and Jharkhand has offered company 70+ acres of land with several more special benefits and special status. Company will set up manufacturing plant for ATMs, self-service kiosk, payment solutions, data centers, research and development labs as well as IT services, IT's business solutions. Company has signed LOI with state government and is now inviting investors from across the globe to invest into the next generation fastest growing digital company. Brindley Technologies is partner with Microsoft, IBM, Avnet and many others companies from the US, Mexico, South America, Europe, India and APAC regions. Invitation to investors to invest their money into Brindley Technologies. Brindley Technologies and Group of Companies Worldwide invites multiple investors who understands investment into the to invest your money into the company. Company is seeking total investment into the company of $700+ million. All the investment into the company would be secured through SEBI and Ministry of Corporate Affairs in India. In the US it would be secured through State Government of Delaware Department of Corporation, USA. Company is seeking investment into the company from investors across the globe. Investors who shows interest to investment into the company would be provided. 1. The invitation letter to invest into Brindley Technologies. 2. The brief catalog of the company. 3. The valuation report as on August 2016. The report is prepared with consultation of PwC, Gartner reports by independent taxation, advisory and chartered accounting firm. 4. The different investment modes and instruments through which they can bring in their investment. 5. For more information investors can write to us at investors@brindleytech.com. How funds that is invested by investor would be used by Brindley Technologies. Phase-wise working capital investment plan of $700+ million. Phase 1. Exports of ATMs, kiosk and POS devices across the globe through ATMs and kiosk manufacturing plant in India. ATMs and kiosk research and development office in the US and India. Working capital would be used for above task as well as providing complete end-to-end ATMs and kiosk managed services. Working capital would also be used for expansion of IT and consulting services, business solutions, data center, central monitoring surveillance systems, payment solutions, sales and marketing, technical and supporting resources. Business development in the US, South America, UK and Europe, Africa, Asia Pacific regions. Geography expansion of JV Alliance partner network across the globe. All investment coming into the company is governed and protected under the law and by SEBI in India and NASDAQ in the US. Phase 2. Listing of company on NSE/BSE in India. Expansion of the JV partner network, customers and delivery centers across the globe in phases. Business development in the US, South America, UK and Europe, Africa, Middle East and Asia Pacific regions. How funds that is invested by investor would be used by Brindley Technologies. Phase 3. Listing of company on NASDAQ, FTSE. Merger and acquisition of companies into Brindley Technologies and Group of Companies Worldwide. ROI. Company is looking at 30 to 50% ROI from exports of ATMs, kiosk and POS devices across the globe. Company is looking at 15 to 20% ROI from their other businesses from across the globe. Target. Company is looking very positive in the opportunities which are available in the market and the potential of the company to deliver the same. Company would like to continuously keep growing in various service and products verticals and provide their customers across the globe with the solutions. More details. Visit corporate website. Investment information, www.brindleytech.com web link. Investment FAQ, www.brindleytech.com web link. Corporate governance, www.brindleytech.com web link. Projects contract and products. Projects. Brindley Technologies has current projects contracts worth 1. Couple of banks projects from Southeast Asia worth US $200,000+. 2. Couple of Internet of Things, central monitoring e-surveillance solutions, back office, data center based projects from Oman, Malaysia, UAE worth US $300,000+. 3. Couple of projects from India for NFS switch for banks, insurance solution worth US $20 million. 4. Couple of consulting and turnkey projects from the US for mainframes, .NET, J2E and many others worth US $50+ million. 5. POC for Elcom, Slovakia embedded technologies and Android-based OS for various electronics products. 6. ATMs, cash deposit kiosk and switch solutions from Southeast Asian, Africa, US, South American countries. Products. Brindley Technologies product worth 1. ATMs and self-service kiosk for exports ATMs and KISOC managed services, POS devices, POS solutions for can-generate business worth US $100+ billion. 2. Electronics components and embedded technologies solutions, Internet of Things sensors-based solutions worth US $1+ billion. 3. Data center services and surveillance services worth US $1+ billion. 4. Business solutions, engineering solutions worth US $700+ million. Brindley Technologies worldwide provides systems integration, IT and consulting services, business solutions, engineering services, payment solutions, kiosk and ATM solutions and product engineering solution across the globe in more than 51+ countries. Brindley Technologies, Systems Integration, IT Services and Consulting and Business Solutions Delivery Office, Kiosk and ATM Research and Development Head Office. Brindley Technologies Limited and Group of Companies Head Office in Mumbai. Brindley Technologies Limited and Group of Companies Head Office in Mumbai, Boardroom. Brindley Technologies Limited and Group of Companies Head Office in Mumbai, Senior Management Office. Brindley Technologies Worldwide, Domestic and Exports of Voice and Non-Voice Business Solutions, BPO/KPO, Call Center, Engineering Services, Architectural Diagrams, Drafting, CAD, CAM, Concepts, Design. Brindley Technologies Limited, India. BPO/KPO/Call Center/Engineering Services. Brindley Technologies, Kiosk and ATM Concept, Design, Assembling, Testing and Manufacturing Process. Brindley Technologies Worldwide. ATM, Kiosk and EVM Products and Solutions. Brindley Technologies Worldwide. Kiosk, EVM, POS Products and Solutions. Industrial Services for Embedded Systems, Component Technologies, Internet of Things Sensors and Solutions, Product Engineering Services and Outsourced Products Research and Development Services. Brindley Technologies Worldwide, Domestic and Exports of ATM and Kiosk, POS Devices, IoT Sensors and DEM of 50,000+ units YOY. Brindley Technologies Limited, India. ATMs and Kiosk Manufacturing, R&D Labs, and IT's Business Park. Reception and Customer Waiting Area. ATM and Kiosk Assembling, ATM, self-service kiosk, POS devices test labs. Brindley Technologies worldwide, domestic and exports of data center services, financial transaction switching services, central monitoring and surveillance services. Data center, NFS switch and central monitoring surveillance. Brindley Technologies worldwide, domestic and exports of systems integration, IT services and consulting services, infrastructure services, product engineering services, payment solutions YOY. IT Offshore Development Center. Systems integration, consulting and infrastructure services. Senior Management and Customer Experience Center. Customer Experience Theater. Customer Experience Theater. Board and Management Room. Some clients worldwide. Some of the customers worldwide. Some of the partners worldwide. Certifications, awards and recognition. We believe in solutions beyond boundaries. Let's begin. Disclaimer. The content, presentation script, presentation pictures, sketches, animations, written content, concepts and others, in this video presentation is copyright of Brindley Technologies, group of companies and its subsidiaries across the globe. No part of the content can be copied without written permission of the company authority.